Since 2006, Savile Lane has been providing customers experiences tailored just for them. We believe in menswear that is truly one of a kind, built to last and at an affordable price. We're passionate about how you look and feel. First, let's personalize your look. With our extensive fabric selection, you have limitless options. Our stylists work diligently with you to ensure we arrive at your ideal look. Together, we pick out all the details, from the cut, buttons, lining, custom label, intricate details like top stitching, and more. Next, let's get you measured. Our experts take a variety of measurements and combine them using our state-of-the-art technology to create the optimal fit for each of our customers' unique bodies and needs. In a month, we'll have your custom-made pieces. You'll get a final fitting before we deliver your new clothing. With us, you not only get a one-of-a-kind wardrobe, but also a one-of-a-kind shopping experience. Now that your individual profile is created, feel free to start customizing and ordering anytime you want from the comfort of your own home. Savile Lane. Your clothes, your way,